Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm not doing a tutorial, but I am doing my first unboxing on my channel, which is for Boxycharm. So if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a beauty subscription. It is $21 a month, and you do get full-size products, about 5 or 6. This is hands down the best box I have ever subscribed to. I have done other subscriptions in the past, but if I had to choose out of all of them, it's Boxycharm, which I actually did narrow down my subscriptions to this box specifically. I canceled all the other ones. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and do November's unboxing with you guys, and I will do a try-on of all the products, hence why I look like this. So I did already open the box to see what was inside, and I went ahead and just did my whole face. That's why my eyes are completely naked, because there is a palette inside that I want to use for today's video. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got in this month's box, then just keep watching. So when you do get your box, this is what it looks like on the inside. It does come with this little pamphlet brochure thing. Each month does have a theme to its box. This month's theme is Gold Digger. And this is what it looks like. It does give you a description of all the products that are inside the box, and the pricing on here. And this is what the inside looks like. So first things first, I am going to start with the palette. And this is by Ace Beauty. And this is what it looks like. Very nice packaging. I love the packaging, it's very sleek. And these are the colors. Ooh, that is so pretty. Shades are very, very nice. I hope that they are pigmented. Let's go ahead and try it. Also in the box, let me tell you how much this is. That would help. So this is the Grandiose palette. I cannot pronounce that. It is $24.99, so it retails for $24.99, and as I mentioned before, the box is $21 a month, so already you're getting, just one product alone is more than the box. Also, what came in the box are these Luxie brushes. I love Luxie brushes. If you guys haven't tried them, Boxycharm is huge on Luxie brushes. I've had several sets already, but they're so soft, and they blend all of my shadows, or even their face brushes are pretty awesome. They're pretty, I'm trying to say here. All of the brushes are soft, basically. So I'm so excited that I did get these, and these are so cute. So let me just open them up here. And these are what the brushes look like. They are so cute. I love the gold handle that they have on them. They're a gold glitter handle. It totally reminds me of like New Year's Eve or something. It's so pretty. But it is a set of 4, and they are very, very, very soft. So I'm so excited to use these. And these do retail for $21. I'm going to try to just stick with using these brushes for this video, so that way you guys can get an idea of, if you guys do have the box already, then you guys can kind of get an idea of how to use these with just one look without reaching for another brush. Going in first with this fluffy brush, I'm going to use this as a crease brush. I'm going to go in with the shade Clove, which is this peachy cream shade. Next, I'm going to go in with this brown shade Cinnamon. And I'm going to put that also in the crease area using that same crease brush. Next, taking this kind of angled flat top pencil brush, I'm going to go in with Jasmine, which is the highlight shade. It's the shimmer highlight shade in the palette. There's 2 highlight shades, these 2. but this has more of a shimmer to it, so I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone. Taking the angled fluffy brush in the set, I'm going to go ahead and go in with Poppy and put that on the outer, or put that on my outer corner. Poppy right here. Take Poppy and put that on the outer corner. I'm going to go back in using that first brush that we used in the crease, and I'm just going to blend everything together. Using my finger, I'm going to take Prime Rose, which is this golden shimmery shade, and I'm just going to apply that to my lid. There is another product in the box that I do want to use on the eye. It is meant for face, eye, body. So that would be the CoverFX glitter drops. Now, I'm not huge on glitter. Actually, I hate glitter. I try to stay away from it. But for the sake of the video, I will go ahead and use the glitter drops. And I do want to apply just a little bit to my lid on top of Prime Rose. This is what it looks like. It is gold glitter. I'm going to go ahead and put a few drops on the back of my hand. Just do a couple. It's very, very metallic and pretty. I definitely can say that. It is very fine glitter, so it's nothing chunky. It doesn't feel grainy at all. So I'm going to go ahead and just take a little bit of this on my finger and just put that on my lid. It is really pretty, that I can say. I just don't like glitter at all, and I know when I go to wipe this off that there's going to be reflex of glitter all over the place, and I'm not too excited about that. And before we finish up the rest of the eye, I'm going to go ahead and just use this as highlight as well, and just put a couple, just a few dots on my cheek. Blend that in with my finger. I don't know if you guys can see the highlight or see the glitter drops. My lighting is really weird today. I know it's not picking up everything that I want it to. Just have to work with it. The glitter drops, they do retail for $44. The next thing that we have in the box is the JonteBlue. I'm assuming it's French. This JonteBlue Glittering Star Eyeliner, and it is in the shade black. Apparently my camera had stopped filming, so if I do appear closer, it's because I had to restart my camera and then start recording again and rearrange everything. So here we are. Let's go ahead and test out this liner. I can already tell I'm not gonna like this. This has glitter reflex in it. I don't like glitter. But let's see how it performs. It does look a little bit, it does look pigmented, so it does look like it is going to apply it wherever I put it, hopefully. Sometimes when I use wood eyeliners, they don't apply to my waterline, or it takes me so long just to get it even to show up. So let's see how this works. I'm gonna go ahead and tightline first. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just apply it in my waterline. This does retail for $5. Last thing that's in the box, I'm really excited about this, is the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. And this is what they look like. They're very wispy, almost spidery. So I'm pretty excited to try these. And they do look like good quality. They do appear that they have a thick band, which I like, because for me, at least, it's easier to apply my lashes when there's a thick band. So let's go ahead and put these on. While I'm waiting for my lash glue to dry, this is in the style Instaglam, and these do retail for $14.99. Is it just me, or does anyone else seem to get their lash glue everywhere? Every time I apply my lash glue to my lashes, I get it all over my fingers, sometimes on my pants. What is my life? So moving back on to the shadow, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up with my lower lashes. I'm going to use that last brush that was in that Luxie set. This is a pencil brush, and I'm so excited to get a pencil brush. It's very soft compared to my other ones, so that's what excites me. I'm going to go ahead and go in, and excuse my fingers, I have lash glue all over them. I'm going to go in with that first shade that we used in our crease clove, and I'm going to run that all underneath my lash line. And taking cinnamon, I'm going to go ahead and put that over clove. Lastly, taking Poppy, I'm going to put that on the outer edge of my lower lash line. And then just using my finger, I'm going to take Jasmine and put that in my inner corner as my inner corner highlight. Look that I came up with using everything that was in my box. Overall, I do like everything except for the eyeliner and the glitter drops, and I can see myself using that occasionally, maybe for like the holidays, or if I'm going out, but not on an everyday basis. But everything else, I love the palette, definitely love the set of the brushes and the eyelashes, of course. But if you guys want me to do unboxings like this every month, I do get my Boxycharm every single month, then just give this video a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!